Now I have to take a photo. Okay. What is this? Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I'm gonna be suffering, literally suffering. One of my subscribers, Finn Kai, I hope that I did not mispronounce the name. With all due respect, I'm gonna tell you that I got a request to do some hairstyles. I don't like hairstyles. You can check out one of my previous videos where I showed you my hair routine, what products I use every single time I wash my hair, but this is probably it. I hate blow drying my hair. I hate curling my hair. I hate everything related to hair. It takes time. It's just a little like when I do makeup, I get to be creative. When I do hair, I just can't do hair. It's so hard for me. That's why I've decided to create some sort of, like not to create, but I've decided to do some sort of challenge. It might be a little bit crazy. I know it, but I'm definitely a beginner and I'm not good at any sort of hairstyles. I pre-curled, let's say, my hair, not for that video, but it's something easy that I can do, and that's pretty much it. I can do anything else. So I prepared for myself 3 videos that claim to be super easy hairstyles. I want to see if it's actually possible to recreate something with no experience and yeah, maybe taking a little bit of practice. So the first video that I've prepared for you and for me as well is from Instagram. It claims to be super easy viral hair bun hack.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do. That's wizardry. You're a wizard, Harry. I don't get it.
It's from Mad Love Hair, and it claims to have only 1 rubber. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I did try this routine before I started filming this video, but it's something that wasn't really successful. I'll grab the video. I need to grab my hair like that, nice and tight. So you have to put your rubber band over your wrist and put my ponytail up, and then grab it from underneath. Then I'll grab my rubber, put it like that, and then flip it back. It did not work for me. I'll do then the rest of the hair. I'm gonna grab that, and then I have to put my rubber underneath and then pull it a little bit, and then kind of create a rainbow out of my hair. So how did I do, guys? How did I do that? Is it good? Wait a sec. I'm gonna take a photo. Well, it looks shitty, and I'm not gonna lie, it's probably not gonna stay like that till the rest of the evening. What is this? And believe me or not, I tried a couple of times this routine, but it just doesn't seem to work. So this is my option number 1. Weird. Okay, moving on. We're going to a YouTube channel and we're going to try out a little bit different hair, no hair look, pull through something. So it's slick and tight. Then I'm going to grab my rubber, create a ponytail, as I see, like low ponytail. And then I have to divide my hair into 2 parts and get the hair inside. Guys, I hope you can see that. So I'm going to create something loose all around. For now it's quite easy. And then I have to grab an elastic and I have to do another ponytail a little bit lower. Okay, I have to create something loose right here, and then I would need to grab my hair, and poke it through. And well, it does not look good. I feel like I should do it a little bit more loose. So I have more volume right here. So I'm gonna grab again the same hair and pull this through. I have to grab my end and probably just do something like that. Oh, maybe I should do it a little bit more tight. And then with this hair, I have to grab it and pull it here. Why do I feel like it looks like trash? I haven't seen this trash, but I feel like it's a little bit trashy. Where is it? What do we have? Okay. Is it good? Is it good? Did I do that? Have I done that? How does it look? Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. Wow. In front, it's not bad. And you know, I feel like it's a little bit extra loose on the sides. But okay, we can actually work with that. I'm gonna pin on the side because I feel like I need to pin this on the side. It's too loose. Now I have to take a photo of something that I have. Okay. What is this? And it's really bad, actually. It's really, really bad. It looks like trash. Okay, we're gonna see the final one, and if it's not working, then I'm not going back to any sort of buns anytime soon. I love how they say it's simple. Maybe when I post my videos and say, this is super simple makeup look, it's definitely not super simple for someone else. I need to create some ponytail and divide, I guess, my hair into sections. I need to know one sec. Ouch. And I have to divide again this into two sections and pull this through. So now I have to divide the same ponytail into 2 parts and then divide the rest of my hair into 2 parts as well, and then grab the rest with my ponytail. Let's create some sort of pocket, maybe, and grab my left ponytail and poke this through. Okay, we're doing that. And now I have to repeat the same thing for my left side. And I have to repeat the same thing once again through the same. Let's take a photo. What? How is that possible? I guess I've done something wrong. I would need to redo that. The moment of truth. Is it better this time? Wow. That's much better, guys. That is much better. Okay, let me take another photo and let's do like that. Well, it could have been better probably, but I guess that's just that's a win for me. Out of 3 different hairstyles and buns, I'd say this one is at least safely pinned. Let me show you the final result, reveal my final result. I guess it's better. And then like in a few hours, I'm gonna check out the video to edit them before I upload this video, and I'm like, oh my god, what a trash. So this is it. I can't say that I would probably do this updo and go somewhere else. I told you I was bad at that. I told you I was bad at any sort of buns. The only thing that I can do curls, and that is pretty much it. That's where it ends. The final one was not really bad when I realized that I had to poke this through the ponytail that I've created right at the beginning. Then it turned out to be much better. Well guys, if you are a beginner, as I am myself, then it's probably not the best option for you to do any sort of buns. It takes practice and it takes time. I guess it can be done with it can be said about every single technique and every single skill, that you have to practice and you have to take time. But honestly, I'm not really a huge fan of any sort of hairstyles. I will definitely wear it loose, but when I have this really beautiful dress with my naked shoulders. I wore this for my anniversary, and for this dress it requires to have some updo, and maybe I'll master some of this updos and do it next time for some of my videos, but I don't know. The final one was the best one, I guess. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my suffers, and I hope I'm not gonna do this anytime soon. Love you. Bye bye.